Okay, review tayo for your coming civil service exam and word problem na ituturo ko sa inyo dahil marami pong ganitong lumalabas at marami pa rin pong nalilito. At ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano makuha yung sagot ng mabilisan dahil when it comes to exam, oras po ang ating kalaban. Okay, so let's solve this problem. In a group of 60 people, there are 35 doctors, and there are 41 people who speak French. If 11 of non-doctors don't speak French, how many of the doctors speak French? Okay, pag may nakita po kayong ganitong problem, wag po tayo ma-overwhelm. Kundi i-relax lang po natin yung ating isipan at tignan po natin agad kung ano po yung hinahanap. Dito sa question po natin, ang hinahanap po ay ilan daw po yung mga doctors that speak French? Okay, so mababasa natin sa ating problem that there are 35 doctors. So dito pa lang sa ating choices, pwede na po tayo mag-eliminate. Meaning kung 35 doctors lang po ang given, ay less than 35 ang sagot. Kasi ang hinahanap, doctors speak French. So dito tatanggalin natin tong 36 at 39. Dahil mas malaki sila sa 35, mamimili na lang po tayo dito sa 14, 19 at 27. At take note of this, pag may nakita po kayong kahalintulad na ganitong problem, ang technique ko po ay gumagawa po ako ng table para mas maintindihan ko at nilalagay ko po yung mga given. Okay, analyze po natin. Gusto ko para mas maintindihan po natin. So dito mayroon daw doctors at non-doctors. Okay, so ito yon may 35 doctors at mayroong non-doctors. So gawa po tayo ng table. Okay. Para mas magets po natin yung problem. Ayan. So dito, mayroon ding speak French. Okay. At doesn't speak French. Dahil lang hinahanap how many of the doctors speak French. Isa-isahin po natin ilagay yung mga given sa table para makuha po natin yung tamang sagot. So dito yung total. Sabi nga dito, in a group of 60 people, so mayroon daw 60 na katao. There are 35 doctors. So, saan natin nilalagay yan? So, dito sa total na 35, kasi hindi naman sinabi yan na speak French or doesn't speak French. Sabi nga, there are 35 doctors. So, ito na yan. And there are 41 people who speak French. Okay. So, saan natin nalagay yung 41? Dito. Okay. 41 people, hindi nga naman sinabi na yan ay doctors or non-doctors. Ang sinabi nga lang dyan, 41 daw yung nakakapagsalita ng French. Kaya nilagay po natin dyan. So next, if 11 of non-doctors don't speak French, okay. So ilalagay po natin non-doctors don't speak French. So ilalagay natin yung 11 dito. So nakalagay na po yung mga given po natin. At ang inaanap po natin dito ay ito po. Doctors speak French. Okay. So, i-complete na po natin yung table. So, dito sa baba, in total niya, 60 minus 41 is equal to 19. Para 41 plus 19 is equal to 60. So, dito naman, 19 minus 11 is equal to 8. So, nakuha na natin yung 8. Therefore, dito, 35 minus 8 is equal to 27. Dito pa lang, alamin natin yung sagot na 27 kasi hinahanap lang naman how many of the doctor speak French. So, dito, doctor at speak French. So, i-complete lang po natin yung table. 41 minus 27 is equal to 14, and 14 plus 11 is equal to 25. Therefore, kumpleto na po yung table natin at balance po lahat. 35 plus 25 is equal to 60. So, ito yung 60 people. So, hinahanap, tignan natin sa table. How many of the doctors speak French? The answer is 27. Okay. I hope you got this one. At ganun po yung technique ko para makuha po yung sagot. Dahil marami po nalilito at mali po yung naisasagot po nila. At yun naman po. And follow for more tips, updates, and tutorials for your coming exam. God bless.